Hey guys, this is Ron Blaze for Ninja Web Tools. I just want to show off our new product, which is called PersonaliTees, and it allows you to sell personalized t-shirts online, similar to how you're selling your shirts using the current promo list Ninja. So let me just kind of give you a walk around through the front end, and then I'll show you what the back end looks like. And I wasn't planning actually on selling this. We've been using this for a couple of months. Doing pretty well with selling some personalized shirts, but you know, somebody actually happened to see me showing it off and prodded me into selling this. So here you go. This is the PersonaliTees plugin for WordPress, and see, all the features that we have here are similar to the features that we have within our promo list Ninja. But the exception is, as you see in the top of this shirt, we have somebody's name there, Shez, one of our fans here in town that bought one of our Longhorn shirts. And when you go in through and you see all the features we have currently that are in the promo list Ninja biz software, and you click on Buy It Now, and you get the same fields that we had before, and you'll actually be able to see that with the connection that we have on this, we're able to sell from X small youth all the way to 6XL, depending on the size, depending on the color, etc. And you'll do the same checkout as you're currently doing on PayPal. But you see we have one additional field here now. Now it's name on shirt. So the customer would put the name that they want to have on the top of the shirt. And when they go through the purchase and you receive your money, you would just go ahead and create the shirt with their name on it and send it off on their merry way. So you'll see also we have some additional sizes, styles available. Standard, men's fitted, ladies fitted, and a baby one piece. Which are all available to be selected in the styles over here. So we're using basically a modified API with a company called T-Shirt Gang, and let me just show you how the back end looks. So this is the back end, and similar to our promo list Ninja, a lot of the fields you'll see are exactly the same. The primary difference is here you'll actually enter the T-Shirt Gang code for your shirt, and once you enter this code for the shirt, then it will populate with all the fields that you need to have, so this subheading gets automatically brought in. So let's say I change this to 123 because I know it's not a valid code, and I'll put that other code back in, and then you'll see that it pulls the shirt title that you have in your TSG account, and you go ahead and fill in the rest of this information. It pulls in the product data that you have here, so that you can change this to whatever you want to show within Facebook. Sorry, within your PayPal receipt to your customer. Here are the products that are available with TSG. So they have a standard shirt, and standard sizes run from X small youth all the way to 6XL, and it varies. We'll give you a PDF chart that actually shows you which colors are available for which sizes, because not all colors come in all sizes. But if you're selling primarily black or white shirts, 6XL is available all the way in those colors. But there's other colors, like for instance red, I think goes to 5XL as the largest, or if you're selling purple, the largest available size in purple is 3XL. Then you have the men's fitted sizes, ladies fitted sizes, and baby one pieces. And how this works basically is if you don't want to sell baby one pieces, you just uncheck this, and then that disappears from here. If I refresh the page on the front end, then you'll see that it's no longer an option for somebody to choose when they make their purchase, because it's not available in the drop down anymore. So that's how that kind of works. And then all the features that you're used to having within the promo list Ninja are still available to you. Still the availability of having actually an image or a video. This image here is automatically pulled from your TSG account, so whatever number you put in here automatically creates the image or pulls the image directly from the TSG site for you. And then all the other features we had built in before, your goal and your available and your manual plus, if you want to just kind of fake some scarcity there. You can obviously set your PayPal return URL, and the nice thing about that is you can actually redirect people to your TSG store. So this is my TSG store right here, and I have a bunch of shirts on this page, and I want to redirect people from my store back into my site. I can just do that here. When they make their purchase, they're going to end up right here back onto my store, so that I have the ability of upselling them or interesting them on other things. Same thing with the campaign ended. If you're running either a date-based campaign or a goal-based campaign, when your campaign is over with, you can use that redirect URL to send people to your store, and you won't lose out on any sales. So this, what I'm showing you here, is the personality version for agency, and the agency version allows for up to 3 customized fields. So you could do a name on a shirt. You can add, say for instance, date. Let's say year. So if you wanted to do, let's say a Longhorn fan since, and then a specific year, you'd be able to do that. So if I save this, you saw the first time around when we make the purchase, there's only the name on shirt here. But when I save this time around, and refresh this page, and refresh this page, then you'll see that now there's 2 fields that show up on the checkout thing. So you have a lot of flexibility of customizing your shirts for your customers. And let me see, are there any other features in here that we added? There's a couple of features we added in the settings piece. So in the settings, we actually have the ability right out of the box of inside the settings of setting all your prices. You'll set your prices in here for your shirts, and then this is your baseline price, etc. So whatever this base price is here, that controls what your shirts are up here. So, but let's say this is a $18.95 is what the standard price is, and if you see in my settings, I have a increased cost for the one piece and ladies and 2XL and 3XL, and we also have our shipping fees that we identify right in here. So if I go in here and let's say we want to buy a ladies, so this is $18.95, and let's say we choose to say we're going to get a ladies fitted instead, and we select the size, then you'll see that the price went up because we've selected a different size and style than what was the bottom line size and style. So, if we, for instance, go here and we'll go back here and we select, let's say, the small youth. Oops, I didn't set a price there for that. Let's set the medium. So this needs to reset. Go back here. So the $18.95 is the standard price. But let's say somebody actually goes and picks a 3XL. That automatically does the whole upcharge that you have for the thing. I didn't set my settings correctly, so obviously the shipping cost would be more than the $2. But if I went in and set my shipping cost properly, I would have actually had the $4.95 for regular shipping and charge them, say, $5.95 for this and $7.95 for that. That's probably a better option, and I probably should have done $4.95 for this shipping. So now if I go reset these fees, and now let's go back in over here. Now it should work fine. Obviously this is a demo site and I'm not doing it on my live site, but so if I go ahead and select that, youth price, then obviously this will be set up properly. If I want to add an additional product, let's say we want to get a ladies fitted, and we want to go ahead and get the 2XL, you'll see that we're getting an extra $1 charge for the ladies fitted. And then because we bought a 2XL shirt, we're charging a higher shipping fee for that. So anyway, that's a quick rundown on our PersonaliTees plugin for WordPress. And I don't know how long I'm going to make this available for people to purchase. Like I said, hadn't planned on selling it in the first place. But it's if you want it, snap it up now, and there you go. I don't have a members area built as of yet because we, like I said, hadn't planned on selling this, but I'll get the members area up in the next day or two, and depends, and getting some sales, but we'll get that members area set up so that everyone understands how to use this, and you'll have links to the TSG so you can set that up as well. Okay, thanks for your time. We appreciate your business, and we'll see you on the inside. Bye now.